Top 6 Best Car Polishers. When it comes to achieving a flawless and polished look for your car, having a high-quality car polisher is a must. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast, the right polisher can make all the difference in bringing out that spotless shine. With so many options available, we've reviewed the top 6 car polishers that offer exceptional performance, durability, and ease of use. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Aoben Car Buffer Polisher. The Aoben Car Buffer Polisher is a game changer for those who want professional quality results without the hassle. With its powerful 1000 to 4500 RPM variable speed control, this dual-action polisher allows you to customize your detailing experience to suit different surfaces. The detachable handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver and control. It comes with multiple pads, ensuring that you have the right tools for polishing, waxing, and buffing. Designed for efficiency and durability, this polisher helps eliminate scratches and swirls, leaving your car's surface looking flawless and polished. Number 2. Car Buffer Polisher 6-inch Dual Action Polisher for Car Detailing. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful polisher, the 6-inch Dual Action Polisher is a fantastic choice. This buffer is perfect for both beginners and professionals, thanks to its user-friendly design and adjustable speed settings. It features an ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue during long polishing sessions. The dual action mechanism ensures even polishing, minimizing the risk of burns and swirl marks. Whether you're applying wax, removing oxidation, or buffing out scratches, this polisher delivers a spotless finish every time. Number 3. Buffer Polisher 1600 watt 7-inch/6-inch Rotary Buffer Polisher Waxer. For those who need a heavy-duty polisher, the 1600 watts Rotary Buffer Polisher is a powerhouse. Equipped with a high-performance motor, this tool provides consistent power for tackling even the toughest detailing jobs. It offers adjustable speed control, allowing you to work on delicate surfaces with precision. The rotary design ensures deep and effective polishing, making it ideal for restoring faded paint, removing swirl marks, and enhancing the shine of your vehicle. If you want a reliable and long-lasting polisher, this model is worth considering. Number 4. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher W/2 multiplied by 2000 mAh 21 volts batteries. Say goodbye to tangled cords and restricted movement with this cordless car buffer polisher. This innovative polisher is powered by 2 high-capacity 21-volt batteries, giving you the freedom to work anywhere without worrying about power outlets. Despite its cordless design, it doesn't compromise on performance, delivering smooth and consistent polishing power. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Whether you're detailing your car at home or on the go, this polisher ensures a flawless and polished finish with every use. Number 5. Avid Power Buffer Polisher. The Avid Power Buffer Polisher is a must-have for car enthusiasts who want effortless polishing and detailing. Its dual-action design ensures a swirl-free finish while protecting your car's paint. With an adjustable speed range, you can control the intensity of the polishing process, making it perfect for different surfaces. The easy-to-hold design and low vibration make it comfortable to use, even during long detailing sessions. Whether you're applying wax or removing minor scratches, this polisher guarantees a brilliant, mirror-like shine. Number 6. 6-inch Car Buffer Polisher. For those who want a compact and efficient polisher, the 6-inch Car Buffer Polisher is a fantastic option. This buffer is designed for versatility, allowing you to polish, wax, and buff with ease. Its powerful motor provides consistent performance, ensuring that every inch of your car's surface is spotless. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. If you're looking for a polisher that delivers excellent results without being bulky or heavy, this model is a great investment. Final thoughts. Choosing the right car polisher can make all the difference in achieving that flawless and polished look. Whether you need a cordless option for convenience, a rotary polisher for deep cleaning, or a dual action model for precision detailing, these top 6 polishers provide the best performance, durability, and ease of use. With the right tool in your hands, you can keep your car looking spotless, sleek, and showroom ready at all times.